Hello, my name is Dan. I'm doing this video that Nicole promised you. I pre-walked this vehicle, and I could not find any scratches or blemishes, and its car is very nice. 13,000 miles. I'm sure you've seen the pictures on the internet. And it's an LTZ, so it's got auto start, all the equipment. No power roof, no navigation. I'm just going to walk around the car so you can visually see it. The car just seems perfect. Still under factory warranty. It went through our shop. We did an LOF on it, whatever safety it needed. Make sure that everything was up to par on it. It's kind of sunny out, so it's hard for me to see the cam here. There you go. Complete walk around. I'll open the interior door here, front door for you. Real black upholstery, leather, heated seats. That's the front. Like I said, the car is virtually new. Back. Go ahead and pop the trunk open for you. I don't know if this is gonna show. I mean, this thing is new. This car is beautiful. Spare tire. Doesn't appear that it's ever been on the road. Notice how high that trunk opens up. Keep you from bumping your head. Passenger side. There you go. I hope this helps you guys. Thank you for now. Bye.